Hello and welcome to NaRvi Academy. In this video, you will learn all about Interpol. Let's start. The actual abbreviation of Interpol is ICPO-INTERPOL, where ICPO stands for International Criminal Police Organization. The Interpol is the world's largest international intergovernmental police organization that facilitates worldwide police cooperation and crime control. Interpol is not a law enforcement agency and has no agents with arresting powers. The Interpol functions as an administrative liaison among the law enforcement agencies of the member countries, providing communications and database assistance. Formation: the Interpol was established on 7th September 1923. Headquarters: the headquarters of the Interpol is situated in Lyon, France. Interpol also have 6 regional bureaus, 3 special representative offices, 3 liaison offices, and a global complex for innovation based in Singapore. Also, each member country hosts an Interpol National Control Bureau (NCB), which links the national police of that country with Interpol's global network. The 6 regional bureaus of Interpol are situated in Buenos Aires, Argentina; Yaoundé, Cameroon; Abidjan, Ivory Coast; San Salvador, El Salvador; Nairobi, Kenya; and Harare, Zimbabwe. 3 special representative offices are at the African Union in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia; the European Union in Brussels, Belgium; and the United Nations in New York, United States. 3 liaison offices are at UN Office on Drugs and Crime in Vienna, Austria; at Europol in The Hague, Netherlands; and for the Caribbean region in Bridgetown, Barbados. Let's move on. General Secretariat. The General Secretariat is the body that coordinates all policing and administrative activities. The General Secretariat is run by the Secretary General, appointed by the General Assembly. The General Secretariat runs Interpol's day-to-day activities to support member countries in their international policing. It operates 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, provides a point of contact for any country needing assistance with an investigation, and operates from offices in Lyon, Buenos Aires, and Singapore. Secretary General. The Secretary General is responsible for the General Secretariat, overseeing its day-to-day activities and ensuring that it implements the decisions of the General Assembly and Executive Committee. The Secretary General is proposed by the Executive Committee and appointed by the General Assembly for a period of 5 years and may be reappointed once. Official languages. Interpol works in 4 languages: Arabic, English, French, and Spanish. Objectives. Interpol helps the police of all member countries and works together to make the world safer. Interpol shares data on crimes and criminals and offers a range of technical and operational support. Interpol also provides investigative support, expertise, and training to law enforcement worldwide, and focuses on 3 major areas of transnational crime: terrorism, cybercrime, and organized crime. Members. The Interpol has 195 member countries, 3 members of the United Nations, and 2 partially recognized states by the UN are not members of Interpol: North Korea, Palau, Tuvalu, Kosovo, and Western Sahara. Member countries come together at the Annual General Assembly to decide policy, working methods, finances, and activities. In addition, heads of NCB meet annually at a conference to share experiences. Funding. Interpol have 2 main sources of income: statutory contributions from the member countries and voluntary funding from partnerships with government agencies. Organizational structure. The Interpol have 3 governing bodies: First governing body is General Assembly. The General Assembly is a supreme governing body comprising representatives from each member country. It meets once a year and each session lasts around 4 days. Its purpose is to ensure that Interpol's activities correspond to the needs of member countries. The General Assembly also elects the members of the Executive Committee. The second body is Executive Committee. Elected by the General Assembly, the Executive Committee has 13 members comprising the President of the organization, 3 Vice Presidents, and 9 delegates. The President is elected for 4 years and Vice Presidents and delegates for 3 years and are not immediately eligible for re-election either to the same posts or as delegates to the Executive Committee. The Executive Committee is the governing body supervising the execution of the General Assembly's decisions and the administration and work of the General Secretariat. It meets 3 times a year. The third and last important body is President. The President of the organization is elected by the General Assembly for 4 years. The President presides at meetings of the General Assembly and the Executive Committee. The President also ensures the activities of the organization are in conformity with the decisions of the General Assembly and the Executive Committee. Thanks for watching. That's it for now. We will come back with a different topic. Till then, keep watching NaRvi Academy.